Hey guys, how's it going? 2A Warrior 92 here with White Horse Mill Sim, coming at you with an unboxing video. And this is from airsoftgi. Gonna see what we got here. Big shout out to you guys. You homies are awesome. I love the website. Shipping's really quick. And if you have any questions about a product whatsoever, if you need to know anything at all, their instant check gets back with you super quick, and they're just really good customer service all the way around. I really highly recommend these guys to anybody. They're just a good service. But anyway, let's see what we got here. Get the packing out of the way. KLI Crown Land. Alright, here we go. KL High Kappa Series Pistol User Guide. Alright, and what we have here is the KLI Baba Yaga. It looks like this one out of the box got a little bit of spotting right here in the barrel, but I'm okay with that. Just means it's been tested, it's been toyed with. Full metal construction. Oh, this just feels nice. Ooh, that's smooth. Way better than my Umarex Glock 19X half blowback. Oh, and this double undercut. This double undercut is amazing. Just so natural. This feels so good. Oh, it's like butter. And you'll have to excuse me, my bird went crazy when I first got home to do this. So you might hear him chirping in the background ever so slightly. Ooh. Oh. I'm going to try to force a malfunction. You can practically throw it in there. That's awesome. Yeah. First impressions, it's got a nice weight to it. It was supposed to lock back. Maybe it only does it when it's got CO2 in it, I'm not sure. As of right now, it is not locking back, which I'm okay with. Hey, there it goes. Huh. Oh well. Either way, I'm sure it'll shoot good. And either way, I have a good feeling about this pistol. We're going to see how it does here in just a little bit. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. 2A Warrior 92, White Horse Mill Sim, out.